Okay, end of the day. 30-day schedule. This is the end of day 2. Day 1, obviously I got that frame. Remember, got that trunk pan. I actually had a little stitching left to do on that today, but it's done. Another thing was today, I kind of left myself a little bit of a lax day today. These bumper mounts, I had to drill out those because the old bolts were shot. Tap them out. There was a couple I couldn't get because I got to get my oxygen and acetylene filled up, and they're here where the front fenders bolt on. And then I got through here after I'm done with this pass and blocking. This panel's done, so is the other one. They're done. I got the rocker panels, inner fenders, inner wheelhouse, the lowers and the quarters. Then the rough and bodywork's pretty much done. We're ready for high build on the body itself, or the tub, everything that shows. I got that ground down real good to get rid of some surface rust that was on there. Got it coated over. I'll file that down, get rid of all the unevenness. That's ready for wet sand. Tomorrow I'm going to be focusing on my hood and the 2 doors. Get those ready for high build. I think, you know, I mean, it's kind of where we're headed tomorrow. I got figured that I'm supposed to get basically the floating body parts close to high build primer. A little something I'm building for a guy. I'll explain that to you later. Patent pending, lawyers involved, that kind of thing, so I don't get into those projects. I do for this gentleman. Great guy, I love working with him. But you can see, you know, today's one of those days that you work your ass off all day and you don't see anything at the end of the day that's any different. But we're getting there. It wouldn't shock me if no footage from day 2 even gets put up on YouTube. We're looking at high build primer. This is the first blocking of these fenders. I haven't done the guide coat down in these areas because we got them sitting here facing each other. I want to get the faces and this underside taken care of. But I blocked this one out, got all the guide coat down. It's kind of where we're at. So it just goes to prove, no matter how beautiful it looks before you prime it and block it, you know, I got low spots, got a high spot, but you know, not bad. I'm not disappointed or upset with myself. I get anxious at this stage in the game. I rush it. See if I can see it better. There is point in case. I rush. I get in a hurry. Those are way too big of sandpaper scratches. I didn't block the rough and bodywork down far enough. I don't always fall myself into that trap, but I usually do. There'll be spots where it's 36 or 80 grit scratch marks.
built this with a DA and all this other shit, but you're just not going to get the same out of it that I need. This customer, you may not see the difference, but I know the difference. And I like my customers, usually. I pick my customers though. Probably why I'm so damn slow. Most folks will shop for a shop, interview the guys doing the work, or look at the facilities. I get folks come to me, or I go to them to look at the project. I look them in the eye, I shake their hand, I ask them a little more about themselves than just the car. It wasn't that long ago, I ran a construction company too, and I learned then I would rather do what appears to be an insignificant job, scope and scale, for a guy I absolutely adore working for, than to do $1 million home for a homeowner or a builder that I think is a puke. All perspective, I suppose. You get hungry, those principles blur a little bit, but though I've been hungry, I've not been that hungry yet. There you go. Wash and block out the entire printer. I don't have any little bad undercuts here. It's time to clean them off. Get some polyester in them. I'm off to another project.